Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on your Mac. To change the wallpaper on your Mac, go to System Settings, then go to Wallpaper, and now you can choose any of those here. You can also set a color or anything else that you want, or you can click on add a photo or add folder or album, and then you'll be able to choose it from photos or from files. And I'm gonna set this wallpaper, and you can see that now it's set. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.